welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be giving away a koala to someone who subscribed. It's actually pretty nice. So anyways, if you guys want free pets, items, pet wear, anything basically, you can just get it here. This is the person that DM'd me actually on Discord because I said giving free koala. So let's just give her koala. And then free. No, it's free. Don't give me it. I think I'm just gonna give them a koala from backpack, and that's good. Okay, guys, but if you guys want to know how to win these giveaways, I'm gonna just comment your Roblox username, like and subscribe, and make sure to follow me on Roblox. I'll add you guys, and the next giveaway I'm gonna be giving away an Aussie egg. Okay, anyways, see you guys the next time. Oh yeah, and this person's just like Cool House. Anyways, we're gonna end the video. Bye guys.